So here we are today. We are headed to Cannes. You know what's happening in Cannes today? It's just another day at the Cannes Film Festival. Chef and I are headed there to see what we find or see who we see. So we are on our way. See you there.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
It's an interesting building. I don't know, it looks like maybe apartments. We're just pulling into Antibes now. Can't see a whole lot of it from here. Just coming into Cannes now. So we made it to Cannes. This is just outside the train station. We have not figured out where we're headed. idea what this is. It just looks like this is a place people are posing on a red carpet. Is it the real red carpet? A real red carpet or just a red carpet? Seems like a strange place to be posing, but who knows? We're new in town.
So if you wait here for a moment.
As we get closer to the tents, every now and then you see people wearing badges. Those are the lucky people who have tickets to get in to something. We have no tickets because us ordinary common people that are not photographers or in the industry, we have no way to get into anything. And I don't think we can get into those tents either that are straight ahead of us. You have to have a badge to get into those. So we are headed up to this street right here, and I think it looks like they have a lot of police blocking the entrance. It's very, very, very windy today, so hopefully you can hear me. See all the police over there? No ticket, no entrance. See, it looks like they're checking badges right up there at the gate. There's no way we're going to get in. So we're just going to hang out here in town and just see what we see.
So, if you've come to Cannes and forgot your tuxedo, or your tuxedo is on a cargo ship somewhere on its way to Europe,
Oh, like yours?
like me, there is a chance for the gala dress. You can get dresses and tuxedos here. You can rent them in Cannes. They say a bow tie is very appropriate.
Okay, so we just sort of crashed the gates. There was nobody at the gate we walked through. And ooh la la. Well, we're here. And of course, there's swag. Well, it's not free. Gotta buy it. Lots of people shopping.
Pas pousser les barrières comme ça.
Well, these are apparently the places we are not allowed to go because we're not wearing a badge. So we'll just look from outside. See, there's another place. Everybody's in line. Everybody's got badges.
Just can't make it.
Nous avons le plaisir d'accueillir aujourd'hui l'équipe du film 3 km avant la fin du monde du réalisateur Emmanuel Pelvoux. À ses côtés son casting Bogdan Dimitrake, Ciprian Kiushna, Ingrid Mimou Pereșcu, Valeriu Andriusta, ainsi que la productrice. Le troisième film du réalisateur Emmanuel Pelvoux. Après Marco, il parle de moins bête des choses.
I think I have too much process, and I've been feeling kinda hopeless. I know I'm not supposed to feel this way. I know it's been a while since I held you in my arms. And I wasn't ready yet to learn how to live without you. How could I let you go when I am still in love with you? I'm still in love with you.
out here and have some lunch. We had to sit down after all of the thrills of watching a whole bunch of people walk the red carpet in Cannes here. So we stopped at a place on a side street for lunch. It's very hard to get into anything else. Most places stop serving lunch because it's after 3 o'clock here. So Jeff is having a Caesar salad, and a la France, they always put chicken on Caesar salad, so it's crispy chicken. And mine is a little wheel of camembert with honey and croutons, baguette, and a little rosemary garnish. And we're having cocktails. And are you having fun, Jeff?
So I'm having a lot of fun here at the film festival. Next year we're going to get badges so we can get tickets and get into it. Today we're just sort of on recon.
Very cute. So here's the store Jeff would like to go into now. Of course he wants to go in there. It's Agent Provocateur.
I'll see you guys later.
I'm guessing that black nightgown is probably 900 euros. Okay, I do like that little purse there. And I didn't bring an evening dress, so maybe this black one would do. That man is on a mission. Look at those shoes. Louboutins. Oh, look at his shirt.
Nous aussi, on est sur la croisette. Mais la prochaine fois,
Oh, look at all the apartments for sale. Yeah. The thing is, we don't know most of the foreign actors and actresses. So we may be looking right at them. We have no idea who we see. So we just passed Dana Carvey, and I just stood there stunned that it was him and didn't even open my camera. I couldn't think of his name fast enough. And he looked at me like, yeah, it's me. Wasn't fast enough with my camera.
Your rifle's already? Okay.
So we don't know who we're waiting for. We're at the Marriott. There are crowds of people here just waiting. Black cars have just pulled up. They asked us to move back because we were very close. So now we are waiting to see who comes out to the black cars.
Here they come.
Les docs où le poids et l'ennui me courbent le dos. Ils arrivent le ventre alourdi, je fuis les bateaux. Pendant la route qui mène à mes rêves d'enfant sur des îles lointaines où rien n'est important que de vivre. Où les pieds alanguis pour ravisser le cœur, pressant ma tondine ces colliers de fleurs qui enivrent. Je fuirai laissant là mon passé sans aucun remords. Sans bagage et le cœur libéré en chantant très fort. Emmenez-moi au bout de la terre, emmenez-moi au pays des merveilles. Il me semble que la misère serait moins pénible au soleil. Emmenez-moi au bout de la terre, emmenez-moi au pays des merveilles. Il me semble que la misère serait moins pénible au soleil. See, my soul, taking my faith, killing myself from your grace. Please show me the good way. Live Babylon. Try to sing with me. Okay. I left Babylon. Okay, your turn. I left Babylon. I left Babylon. I left Babylon. I left Babylon. I left merci à tous.
passing out cards.
Ah ouais, elle. Ah ouais, moi j'aurais dû faire là. La naine. Oh, t'as vu le nain à bout luxe? Il était abattu. Lequel? On a battu la chaîne. Attends, c'est la suite. Celui qui fait abattre, c'est moi qui est là dans la simulation 1. Il m'a dit quoi? Là, il va bientôt arriver à la. Je crois qu'il a pris le train à la gare du Sud. Vous avez croisé le contrôleur? T'as dit quoi? Ouais, pas de contrôleur. Il m'a dit quoi? Il m'a dit ouais. Attends. Ah ouais, mais tout à l'heure il a servi. Ah, tout à l'heure il a servi Fenso. Ouais. Il a servi Fenso. Ouais, il est bon. Il a pas pris de photo là. Ouais. C'est qui chantait au Olympique. Non, on laisse pas. C'est un monde, ah oui, il a fait rentrer dans le cercle à mon ancienne surveillante du collège à la fin. On va faire honte à notre famille. Pas de bêtises en bande organisée. Ouais, elle a dit on est en bande organisée.
Going to the show tonight.
Il faudrait mettre dans ton sac.
All the big names are here. We are headed to Carlton.
C'est comme le